Hello. You know what time it is? It's time to do a little stretching, a little strengthening. I'm ZGALA, aka Auntie Angel. You can call me anything you like, really. Just don't call me late for dinner, as my grandma used to say. I'm feeling silly. I'm feeling spry. I'm getting ready to throw my gear in the car and go up to the mountain and do some pushing snow around on my snowboard. But before I do, I'm going to check in with my body, let go of some of the stresses of yesterday. And as usual, I invite you to join me to whatever degree feels good in your body. I want to remind you, listen to your own body, follow your own lead. Hopefully I can inspire you to just spend a little more regular time moving, exhaling, maybe practicing your heavy sighs. Let's start off with some shoulder shrugs, shall we? Breathing in, holding, tensing up, breathing in a little more, and then just let it go. Let the arms swing if you can. Let's do a couple more. Breathing in, tensing up, holding, breathing in a little more, and then I encourage you to try out different sighs. See how they feel in your body. Let's do one more. Breathing in, shrugging up, holding and breathing in a little more, and then there you have it. Let's do just a quick arm stretch. Oh, I got a lot of ka-chunks in there as usual. Gonna swing that back. Do a little stretch through the chest. Bring this arm across. Swing that back. I'm feeling it in the ankles. I'm doing a little squat here where you can't see. I'm gonna come onto the knees. Let's do some shoulder rolls. Breathing in. Exhaling. Maybe slowing it down a little bit, bringing the system into a more regulated state. Let's go the other way. Bounce those shoulders up and down, back and forth. Shake out the hands. Let's do some little circles with the fingers. Just checking in with all those little bones. It might seem like just a tiny thing, and it is. Doesn't have to take a long time, but it can make a big difference when you check in with your body every day. Let your body know that you care, that you're doing your best. It's a lot in the same vein as changing your socks and underwear, brushing your teeth, washing your face, maybe picking up the stuff in your living room. I'm still working on that. All those things add up to a more coherent, more constructive, more creative life. That's what I got to say to you. What do you got to say to me? I also want to say thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for liking and giving me hitting that subscribe button. It really does help me out a lot. And yeah, stay curious, stay courageous, get more fit and get more free. I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now. Peace.